Hey guys, what is going on? It's MMG here, and today, oh my god, I have to lower down this volume. Anyway guys, welcome to my first ever game video on this brand new phone that I have. It's a Samsung Galaxy S6, I believe. I don't know, because yesterday I broke my original phone, so I got a new one. But guys, we're playing the Christmas edition of Subway Surfers. So we got some. Oh my god, buddy! And he's only running for 24 days. Ah, come on. Elf Trixie. Really? Anyway, let's just run. Somehow it's still connected to my original account. What the heck? 50,000 coins? Somehow this connected with my old phone before it broke out. Oh my god. And the officer is a Santa? Hey guys, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you go down below. Hit that subscribe button. God. Why do I do this to myself? Oh. Let's try this again. Hey guys, as I was saying before I got attacked, you guys do to the series, make sure you go down below. Smash that like button and new to the channel. Make sure you do subscribe for more content every single day. Well, not every single day, at least once a week on my channel. What is this bell? Yeah, it's Christmas time. So, jingle bell, Okay, so while we wait here, let's just say some jingle bells. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell sling and jingle bell ring. Snowing and blowing, how close to the fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh god, no more jingle bell rock! Run! Get away from Santa Claus! No, you're the evil Santa Claus! You'll never get me! Hey, we broke somebody's high score. Oh god, I'm moving fast like a merry-go-round. Okay, we need to find another L. When I find another L, it'll be good. Let's do this. Let's go. Run like a... Oh my... How did I manage to get to there? No, another cookie. My cookie. No, my letter. Why? That was the last L to get my letter to Santa Claus. Even though Santa Claus is chasing me. There's the last L. Oh god. Run, man. Why? Just run. Oh, run fast. Run, Rudolph. Rudolph's have to make it to town. Rudolph, he can hurry. He can take the freeway down. And away went Rudolph. Away like a merry-go-round. Oh god. Let's just go. Run. I just want to get them away from Santa Claus. Help me. Oh my god. Somehow I'm beating all these guys' records. Oh god. Oh, that went for a long time. So let's, one Jake spray can. Wow. So wait a second, how many more spray cans do I need? I need that's oh to get that. the king. Oh, and number 1 king. Okay, so let's play another matchup. Got this, guys. We can do this. We're going out slow, a slow start. And let's go. What the heck is that? 10 plus multiplier? What? What does that mean? I don't get this game. I mean, I have played Subway Surfers before, but not on this channel. But I never heard of a 10 plus multiplier. That's something I have never heard of before. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Slide and slide, slide and slide. Okay, let's go, 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 let's go. Oh, man. Okay, so listen, dashing through the snow, and on horse open sleigh, all the fields we go, running all the way. Build our battle ring, making spirits bright. Oh my God, Santa's chasing me. Wait, can I please go inside? Ah, jingle bells, jingle. Oh, jingle bells, Batman so swarming lady. Santa's trying to get me because I was spray painting a subway. Hey, oh my God, he is after me. I think I lost him. So hip, hip, hooray. I just literally just came up with that song. Let's just go. Okay, I think this is going to be the last round for today, guys. I'm not going yet. Oh God, how do I go through? I'm not stopping this until we don't have much to go. Oh, hopefully we could beat our highest score today. Okay. Alright, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see a part 2, then comment down in the description below or like the video. If we get to 5 likes, I'll post the next video. But see you guys next time. Goodbye.